The check light is on and all that, guys, and it's have a misfire. So these are the codes here, guys. Here's more. Hope you guys can see all of that. I'm gonna start with the basics, guys. First thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke this engine here. Think we have some vacuum leak. So I found the leak, guys. I smoked the engine, this pipe right here. It's broke. You know, so I push this hose back in here. So we're gonna start it up now, and I'm gonna erase the code first. So I erase the code, so let's go ahead and start her up. More mist going on, the check light gone. But I'm gonna take it for a test drive. Don't be afraid to punch it hard. If it have a problem, it's not gonna allow you to punch it real hard. Light coming back, that means we're good to go.